everyone, this is Rita from Leasing Packaging. As you can see in my hands, it is a beautiful box made by the Pulp material. It touch very smooth. So let me show you how we produce it by this fully automatic machine. After the finalized process, now we are going to the cutting process. Let me show you how it works. The cutting edge material we can recycle to use. It will back to the pulping system, after pulping and back to the fully automatic machine again. So we achieve the zero waste. Now we got the final product. Now we are in the most important process, the quality control and quality inspection. In here, we will check the details. For example, the size, the weight, and the clean on the surface, the smooth on the surface, and the construction. To make sure it 100% apply our design construction and our quality requirements. I am Rita. I'm waiting for you in here. Welcome to visit us.